Hello, my name is Nedu. I'm your Forex coach, and welcome to the Profit Plus Premium Signal video. In this particular video, I'm going to be doing a review of how we got a sniper entry on US oil, which yielded over 300 pips within a short period of time. And right going into the chart here, this signal was actually, this setup was gotten by a broad mix of fundamentals, the current fundamental analysis, the fundamental drive, what's happening, okay, in the war between US and Iran, and also what we are seeing printing right on the chart. So when the news of a hope in having a deal to ceasefire deal between US and Iran came up, when that suggestion came up, you can see from here around this area the price of crude oil started dropping. Anytime there is an escalation in the war, the price of crude oil recovers and all that, and then goes back when the news of a hope in selling the deal, happens. So on this particular day, we are really watching closely. Okay, the previous night, okay, we marked this, and of course, there was hopes of seeing a deal between US and Iran. The next morning, what came up printed on the news was US retaliating on the previous night's attack, okay, strike by Iran, and that gave us an idea of what's going to happen, because anytime the war is escalated, the price of crude oil was going to rally. Okay, so fundamentally there was an expectation for price of crude oil to go up. So this is number one. Then number two, you have to look at the chart. Of course, you are seeing the market making lows high, lower low, and expected to recover before market drops down. These are all the considerations that we had before we took this signal. This was a low here, it printed a high and now made a low. You can see there's a liquidity sweep here which led to the formation of this hammer. All right, you can see this hammer, and this signals a reversal from the ongoing downtrend. So this hammer is a signal, is a reversal signal that is supposed to push price up. Fundamentally, the retaliation by US is supposed to also cause this. So in getting this signal and then trying to get a very accurate entry for us to go in, we have to look closely on what the candle is saying. You can see this hammer followed by a bullish bar, which is a confirmation that price definitely is going to move up. Okay, so when this happened, we took this setup, had to draw the setup, took this Fibonacci retracement tool from the high, this is the high, to the low all the way down here, and you can see what the levels here is. 50%, this is at 1.8, and it's all around this zone that the retracement is supposed to start. But I know that there's a low here. When price prints and gets back to this place, this is what we call confluence, and it's going to come all the way down. This was my pure expectation. So I have a fundamental driver that suggests that the price is going to come back because of the retaliation by the US military forces, and this is printing right here on the chart, giving me a hammer, a sweep of liquidity followed by a confirmatory bullish bar, which suggests that the market price was going to rally from this point at least to this level. So we made a call on this. I'm going to play out to show you how this eventually played out. So you see from there, you can see how the market is moving. It has immediately snapped and hit the target at this moment and started going down, and this gave us a total of about 320 pips. 320 pips. This is how we roll it, and been making the market all this while. If I can scroll back to show you some of the things, okay, you can see all from here. We traded this supply zone when the market tested it here and came all the way down. We expected the market price to get here, but it didn't get. Okay, here didn't get to that place, but this one played out so fantastically, and we predicted well, and we were able to gather 320 pips in this one scope. I'll see you again in our next signal video. Thank you.